How to disable Hyper-V in your Windows. Hello and welcome back to our channel, everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial for that. You may follow the same process for your Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. So we can start by pressing Alt Windows plus R, and there just type in optional and type in features and hit enter, and it will open up this section. Now we can just go over and uncheck the option of Hyper-V. If this is checked, we can uncheck it, and after it is done, you can just go over and click on OK. Before that, we can also look out for virtual machine platform. Scroll down for that, look out for it. If this option is also checked, you can uncheck it. And similarly for Windows Hyper-Vision platform. So find it up, uncheck it as well, and click on OK and confirm it up. And restart your PC. Also, we can disable using command prompt. You can press Windows plus X for that and just go over and look out for Windows Terminal Admin or command prompt as an admin. Hit enter and give the necessary access. After you do so, there just go over and type in this, which is this one right here. So go ahead and type in dsm/online/disable feature/feature name Microsoft Hyper-V all and hit enter, and you can restart your PC once it is done. Also, you can disable Hyper-V via boot configuration as well. You can just go and do so in your boot settings. But usually those are probably the method for now, so you can try it out and let us know in the comments. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.